Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So in today's video I'll be showing you how I colored my hair blue. So firstly I have used Vega hair styler to straighten my hair, and if you want a different review video on how this styler works, then please comment down below. This is how my straightened hair looks, and I've done this so that I have a plain canvas to work upon. I have used Streax Ultrahighlights in the shade Blue Sapphire. Here I have mixed the blonder and developer mixture, and I have started applying it towards the end of my hair, and I have spreading it towards my original hair so that there is a very soft blend between my original and bleached hair. Make sure to wear gloves provided in the box so that you don't get yourself dirty in the bleach because it may burn your skin. Please use the mixture of blonder and developer as soon as you mix it in the bowl of a plastic or a melamine because you don't want it to oxidize and react with the material you have kept it in. Similarly, I did in the other half of the section, and I covered them with the foil paper, and when I unfolded it, this is how my hairs looked after the bleaching process. They were in a golden brown shade. Moving on to the final and the most exciting part where I have colored my hair blue. I have just used my fingers so that the color spreads evenly on top of the bleached hair. I rinsed my hair with cold water, and next day I washed them with shampoo and the conditioner that was provided in the box. The next day my hair looked something like this. These are few pictures that were taken after one wash, and after 3 months my hair turned out a little bit greener. So this is how they look. They are still bluish, but they have a texture. It depends upon the different hair qualities. Thank you for watching the video. If you like the video, hit the like button and share it with your friends. Subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get notified for more such upcoming content. If you're gonna color your hair, please tag me on Instagram @estheticnomad and comment down below which is your favorite part of the video and anything which you would like to see more on this channel. Please comment down below. Thank you.